First thing we're gonna do is take some measurements of everything, decide what we want to change on it. We're gonna shorten it up. We kind of want to size this to fit our horses. It's a little bit long. We're gonna shorten the wheelbase. Okay, we got some dimensions and we are gonna build the sides first. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's what we're gonna go with. Sides, front, tailgate, seat, footboard. I think that's the order we'll put it all together in. Okay, here's what we got done today. Had Lottie helping me, the girls. Got the side frames made, got the seat mocked up.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty cool. There'll be a padded foam vinyl wrap that goes up in there for your heels. There's a seat cushion. The girls upholstered these two things today. Seat cushion, and that goes up by your heels. Right, Lottie?